in the world right now. Plug Power. Shares are up, 84% in just 7 trading days. Company making the second big deal in less than a week, announcing a 50-50 joint venture with Renault of France to develop an hydrogen-fueled commercial vehicles in Europe. And joining us now is Andy Marsh, President and CEO of Plug Power, in a broadcast exclusive, joining us by phone. Andy, we really appreciate you joining us. I know you were just on with Jim and Mad Money less than a week ago. Well, there you are on the Zoom. Perfect. Talking about the election and talking about a deal in South Korea. This deal appears to be even bigger in some future way because it's 50-50. Why Renault, and how big do you think that European market just might be?
So, Brian, thank you for having me on. And why Renault is an easy answer. Renault is the second largest light commercial vehicle company in Europe. And they also are experts in battery electric vehicles, which is a critical technology when you marry it with fuel cells. And when you look at those two together, it's a perfect marriage, since we provide a full turnkey from the fuel cell to the hydrogen infrastructure to hydrogen. And in Europe, they expect by the year 2030, there to be over 500,000 fuel cell electric vehicles, light commercial vehicles on the road. And this JV is targeting a third of that. And I agree, this could be bigger than the South Korea activity. And Plug has moved from being just a fuel cell manufacturer and hydrogen infrastructure manufacturer and hydrogen generation manufacturer. And now we're in the vehicle space with, I think, the premier player we could have picked to work with in Europe.
How big is the addressable commercial market in Europe, roughly? And do you have the scale, Andy, the people, the facilities, the capital to scale up to meet that market?
Well, I think when you start thinking about the capital, Brian, we have the strongest balance sheet in this industry with over $3 billion. So we're well positioned. But we're also going to be able to leverage facilities that Renault already has in place. And we'll be using many of their employees, and many of our folks will be supporting the activity. So we really do feel we have the ability to meet this needs. But look, when you're growing like Plug is growing, you're going to need to add people. And I think over the coming months, you'll see additional executives joining the Plug team to really help us grow out this business, both here in North America, Asia, and now Europe.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.